I've had children with autism do my rapid recovery program for autoimmune. A lot of times they develop other problems, and the autism got better at the same time as the autoimmune disease did. Good to meet you. Yeah, I'm rooting for you guys. I really believe you're going to do it because the determination that you have, like I feel it in my heart, like you're going to make it happen. All right. Stay in touch with me, okay, Mama? All right. Bye. So I just saw two families today where the primary person who was the client they wanted me to treat was a child that had autism. And what a lot of people don't realize is that autism is extremely responsive to diet. And so in the first child, we're actually just starting to make the changes that, the mom wasn't aware of the importance of different kinds of nutrients. The second one, actually, he started to develop autism. He was losing his milestones at 1 year old, and mom took out things like dairy and gluten. He was sensitive to gluten and other things, and he started to regain his milestones quickly. I've had children with autism do my rapid recovery program for autoimmune. A lot of times they develop other problems, and the autism got better at the same time as the autoimmune disease did. So when you give anyone, including kids with autism, the right nutrients, and I'm talking about getting in their raw vegetables every day. A green smoothie is one of the easiest ways to get anyone to consume raw vegetables because you do the greens, you add some fruit, the omega-3s, and they're going to like the taste, they're going to have it, right? So making sure they're getting the raw vegetables. The omega-3s are very important. Omega-3s are not only anti-inflammatory, but they're supposed to be the primary fat in the neurons of the brain and all throughout the different cells of your body in the cellular membranes. And so you're going to have a much higher functioning brain, higher IQs, and a healthier body if you're consuming those omega-3s. So make sure they're getting it, either putting in flax or chia seeds in their smoothie or even using a cold press refrigerated flax oil is very important. And also finding ways to get them to drink more water as well. A lot of times kids with autism are very picky about their food, so you might have to do it slowly or try different things to get them to come around to eating what they need to. But it's one of the most powerful things you can do for the health of your child, whether or not they're struggling with autism. So I hope that really helps you. Remember, with people with autism, they're especially sensitive to dairy and processed foods, food colorings, all those kinds of things. Focus on feeding them the best foods for their body and their brain. And don't forget to enjoy them and have fun with them. Don't make everything they do about their illness. They need the cuddles and the fun as well. I hope that helps.